Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your WarriorPlus affiliate access. WarriorPlus is a powerful platform for digital marketers looking to promote products and earn commissions. Let's dive into the detailed steps to get you started. Step 1. Create your WarriorPlus account. The first step is to sign up for an account on WarriorPlus. Go to the WarriorPlus website and click on the Sign Up or Join Now button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure that you agree to the terms and conditions before submitting your registration. Step 2. Confirm your email address. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from WarriorPlus. Click the link in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial, as you won't be able to access all features of WarriorPlus until your email is confirmed. Step 3. Complete your profile. Once your email is confirmed, log into your WarriorPlus account. It's important to complete your profile by adding additional details such as your payment information, PayPal or bank account, and any other relevant information required by the platform. This will help streamline the payment process when you earn commissions. Step 4. Join the affiliate program. To start promoting products, you need to become an affiliate. Navigate to the Affiliates section on the WarriorPlus dashboard. Here, you'll find information on how to apply for affiliate access to different products. Some vendors may require you to request access, so make sure to provide any necessary information to increase your chances of approval. Step 5. Browse available products. Once you're approved, you can browse various products available for promotion. Go to the Marketplace section to view and search for digital products that suit your niche. It's a good idea to research each product, read reviews, and understand its audience to effectively promote it. Step 6. Request approval for specific products. For many products, you'll need to request approval from the vendor. Click on the product you want to promote and find the Request Approval button. Write a personalized message explaining why you want to promote their product and how you plan to do it. A well-crafted message can significantly improve your chances of being approved. Step 7. Generate your affiliate links. Once you've been approved to promote a product, you can generate your unique affiliate link. On the product page, look for the Get Links option. This will provide you with a custom URL that tracks any sales made through your referral. Make sure to use this link in your promotions. Step 8. Promote the product. Now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to promote the product. You can use various marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, blogs, or YouTube videos to reach your target audience. Be creative and authentic in your promotions to drive traffic and conversions. Step 9. Track your earnings. Finally, keep an eye on your earnings through the WarriorPlus dashboard. You can monitor sales, commissions, and payouts. Understanding which methods work best for you will help you refine your strategies and maximize your income. Thank you for following along with our guide to activating WarriorPlus affiliate access. Remember, consistency and persistence are key to succeeding in affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more helpful content.